Good morning all, and today I'm looking at this solar motion sensor light which has been kindly supplied by GRDE for review. Let's have a little look at these specifications. We have a solar panel that's 0.48 watts, so about half a watt, 17% efficiency, well that's pretty normal and that's refreshingly honest I think. A lithium ion battery which is 2.96 watt hours. The LED power is 1 watt, it's 6000 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin, so that's a cool white colour. The night sensor triggers when the light level gets below 10 lux. The motion angle and distance is 120 degrees and 3 meters. It stays on for 10 seconds, I don't think that's adjustable. There's an on-off switch. Lighting mode is off or high light, whatever that means, and there's the size. So we have a very basic instruction leaflet, 4 pages there, and here's the light. The solar panel has a protective film over it, so let's take that off. I would if I could get it off, perhaps I'll take it off later. The PIR sensor is there, and now this one has 10 LEDs, so this one is a slightly new version. Now I've already got one of these lights, but it's a slightly older version, and it is the 6 LED version, so I'm going to make some comparisons with this. Obviously the 10 LED version is going to be that much brighter, so let's take a look inside. And this is what's inside. I've peeled the battery off the back panel. We've got wires coming from the solar panel at the top, wires going down to the LED panel here, and wires to the battery, and also the PIR, the passive infrared detector, is soldered to the circuit board up here. This is the main chip. It's an S6006. It is actually covered with a black cover, but on this one you can see that it's an S6006 if I get it in the right light. And then there are a few power related components up on the right hand side to charge the battery. Now this is a very interesting battery because it says it's lithium, but it's very heavy. Now, I queried this when I looked in the other unit. I thought it might be a nickel metal hydride, but some people said, no, it's probably a prismatic. So I'm going to take the covering off this just to have a look to see if there's any markings on it. So let's cut off this heat shrink coating and see what there is to see. There's the cell. It's quite a chunky package that it's in. What I'm really looking for is to see if there's any identifying marks, and there don't appear to be. Well, I'm pretty sure this is lithium because there's a battery protection circuit board on the top with a couple of chips on there. I could take a measurement off that. In fact, I might get my DVM and just see if that's 3.7 volts. Let's do that. So yes, if I can get these connections on, you can see that it's 3.82 volts, so definitely lithium. So nothing shorts out. I'm just going to wrap this cell in this nice yellow insulation tape. So there's the lithium cell stuck back onto the rear cover, so let's shut this thing up and then see how we operate it. So to switch the unit on, you have to put a small spike through this hole here where it's got the on-off symbol, and they do provide this little pin, so I'll just put that into the hole there like that, and that switched it on. Now I've got to try and make it dark enough to actually turn the lights on, so can I do that? At the moment, no, it would seem. Well, I've had to shut out quite a lot of the light because it's fairly sensitive on brightness, but there it is with all 10 LEDs lit up. That looks reasonably bright. I'll take it outside and find somewhere to put it, I think. So there it is on my shed, and I'm going to find an alternative location for the 6 LED light, and that one can go here. That should catch the sun nicely. So here's the item on Amazon. It's the 10 LED 180 lumen solar wall light for garden, patio, shed, etc. It's currently $14.99, free delivery in the UK, and it comes from GRDE. And you will find links to this item in the description. Cheerio!